Fungible. 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 What is the meaning of this word fungible? Fungible అంటే ఏంటి, దాని అర్థం ఏంటి, సెంటెన్స్లో ఎట్లా ఉపయోగిస్తాం? మీనింగ్ రీప్లేసబుల్ బై అనదర్ ఐడెంటికల్ ఐటమ్, మ్యూచువల్లీ ఇంటర్చేంజబుల్ అనేటప్పుడు ఈ ఫంజిబుల్ వర్డ్ను ఉపయోగిస్తాం. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సెంటెన్స్: ఇట్ ఈస్ by no means the world's only fungible commodity. It is by no means the world's only fungible commodity. Let us see what are the fungible things. Commodities, common shares, options, and dollar bills are examples of fungible goods. ఇవన్నీ కూడా fungible goods. Assets like diamonds, land, or baseball cards are not fungible because each unit has a unique qualities that add or subtract value, so these are not fungible. What is another word for fungible? You can see here: exchangeable, switchable, substitutable, changeable, convertible, swappable, transposable, replaceable, interconvertible, reciprocal. So these are all related to the word fungible. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more information. We will meet again with a new word in the next video. Thank you.